Last year, as the CCSS implementation plan was being developed, the regional administrators and the directors of the Office of Teaching and Learning began having discussions about our need to establish a common set of data points for central office PLCs. We also realized that we needed to conduct shared learning walks at schools in order to establish a deeper understanding about school needs and monitor the CCSS implementation plan. The data points for review during our PLCs would need to include student assessment data, student behaviors in the classroom, as well as the instructional behaviors and strategies used by teachers. They would need to be aligned to the milestones, the achievement compact with the state, and the superintendent's Big Three. The data points we landed on can be viewed in the body of the email where you received this presentation. It was also decided that we would have separate PLCs for K-8s and high schools, given that their data points are collected on very different timelines. The K-8 PLCs occur after each benchmark assessment window and once in between. The high school PLCs occur after each grading period and once in between. Next was the challenge of scheduling the learning walks and the PLCs. The calendar you received highlights the learning walks in blue, the K-8 PLCs in green, and the high school PLCs in purple. Senior directors of OTL are expected to visit schools every Monday, but the joint learning walks with the senior directors of OSP would occur the first and third Monday of each month. The learning walks would be conducted by interdepartmental teams that would stay together throughout the year. This would help them get a deep understanding of the dynamics in the classroom and verify that the CCSS modules were taking root in each classroom. The coaching-heavy schools in each cluster would be prioritized. They would be the focus of the joint learning walks. Other schools would be visited as appropriate during the second and fourth Monday. More work still needs to be done. The learning walk teams need to be confirmed. An observation tool that is aligned to the CCSS modules and collects information on both students and teachers needs to be finalized. And all of this work needs to be communicated to schools. Our hope is that if we do this right, we can establish a culture of collaboration where central office staff can have a deeper connection with classrooms and we can all move together toward more equitable student outcomes.